Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for a unique diffuser, you definitely need to check this one out by Stadler Form. This is the Aroma Diffuser and Lantern Sophie. I really love this diffuser because it's super functional. This provides decoration to my home. It looks beautiful and it's always given that relaxed atmosphere to my living room and to my kitchen. I also like it because this is a safe alternative to a candle. You can use your favorite essential oils and have the scent you prefer at home. I also appreciate that this is rechargeable and it's very easy to use. The battery can last up to 11 hours. You just add water, add your favorite essential oil, and you can have this running for literally almost half the day, indoors or outdoors. So, if you're looking for something unique, something modern that it's going to bring a calming and soothing effect to your home, I highly recommend this diffuser by Statler Form. And that's my point of view.